In the quiet corners of a petri dish, where most of us see only germs or slimy biofilms, scientists see code. Lines of molecular instruction just waiting to be rewritten. And the answer to whether bacteria can be programmed is a resounding yes. In fact, it's not only possible, it's already happening. This is the fascinating world of synthetic biology, where researchers are transforming humble bacteria into biological computers, chemical factories, and disease-fighting robots. What does it mean to program bacteria? Programming bacteria doesn't involve hooking them up to a computer and teaching them Python, as fun as that sounds. Instead, it means rewriting their genetic code, the DNA sequences that determine how they behave, reproduce, and interact with their environment. Think of bacterial DNA as the original source code of life. Scientists use gene editing tools like CRISPR-Cas9 or recombinant DNA technology to tweak this code. By inserting, deleting, or swapping out specific genes, researchers can give bacteria new instructions to carry out specific tasks. In other words, the cell becomes the hardware and the genes are the software. Here's where it gets amazing.
And a little sci-fi.
Engineered bacteria can be designed to identify disease markers in the body. For example, E. coli has been modified to detect molecules associated with colon cancer and even light up when the disease is present, kind of like tiny microbial glow sticks waving red flags inside your gut. Bacteria can be programmed to travel to specific parts of the body and release drugs exactly where needed. This is a promising area for treating gut-related diseases, where normal oral or injected medications might not be as effective or targeted. Some bacteria are already natural-born janitors, but engineered bacteria take it further. They can be programmed to break down oil spills, consume plastic, or even absorb heavy metals from polluted water. Bacteria are now being used as mini factories to produce everything from insulin to biofuels to vanilla flavoring. They're cheaper, faster, and more sustainable than traditional methods. Wait, are they thinking? Nope. As smart as it sounds, these bacteria aren't gaining consciousness or suddenly understanding the meaning of life. They're just following genetic instructions, kind of like executing code in a loop. They don't know what they're doing, but they're doing it very effectively. But are there risks? Of course. Like any powerful technology, programming bacteria comes with big questions. What if engineered bacteria escape into the wild? Could they disrupt ecosystems or evolve in unpredictable ways? Could
Bad people
use them for harm? Biosecurity is a major concern, especially as the tools to engineer bacteria become more accessible. Are we playing God? Ethical concerns abound when we start rewriting the blueprints of life. To address this, scientists build in safety mechanisms, like kill switches, that cause the bacteria to self-destruct if they leave a controlled environment. The idea of programming life at the microbial level opens the door to a bio-revolution. Imagine a future where you swallow a capsule of engineered bacteria that constantly monitors your health, makes nutrients, fights off disease, and quietly exits when no longer needed. Too weird? Maybe, but 20 years ago, the idea of printing organs or editing DNA seemed just as bizarre.
I hope you liked this video. Hit like and subscribe and the notification bell on your way out. Stay inspired and stay driven. See you on the path to greatness.